it turns back to emote only, which is of course a shame. Rasmus Svane, whom I've played a number of times actually in Title Tuesdays, and it's always a tough customer. A6? Really? Let's see how he deals with this one. I'm sure he hasn't seen that one before. There's probably a good reason. We just end up in a innocuous line with the move, with the moves A3 and H3 and A6 included. He wants bishop f5. Knight f3. Well, now I get this, don't I? Kind of defeats the purpose of... No, really. Just giving up bishops willy-nilly. Really? I know that's a lot of reallys, but... Okay, I'm gonna castle. I feel like with this structure, like my attack here should be quite dangerous. Maybe he's kind of semi-quick enough with his counterplay. I don't know. C5 I just capture on D5. He's really got to show something fairly quickly. B5 maybe? G4 and then... Yeah, maybe it's not that easy for me. H4... I kind of want to play caveman style. From the Caveman Islands. Okay. Oh, no. No. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah, we don't have time for mouse slips in these positions. I think C5 could be really good here. Takes. Now I get E4 at least. My play at least makes a certain bit of sense. Knight B6, I suppose. He should be doing fine here, at the very least. But I think I'm doing fine too. It's probably reasonably equal. Queen C3. Here, I just want to go bishop D3. Does Rook E8. It just ends up being very equal, doesn't it? Let's try. Here, then knight a4, bishop G2 maybe. I feel like I should be able to win. Or Rook D6, Rook E8, I'm not so sure about. I should be able to win C6 in exchange for C5. And hopefully I'll be slightly better with bishop against knight. here, well, this I wasn't convinced about, I will say. I take everything. Then I play d5. And here I was kind of hoping that, even though my king is a bit exposed, that my play would be quick enough. Very interesting. Rook e2 takes, queen here. I'll probably give a check, don't I? If I go immediately, takes king f8, I think he's alright. Is queen c1 a move? I really want to keep that check in reserve. Queen e4. Yeah, then again I have to go for some trade. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, queen d3 seems unimpressive, so this has got to be the move. d6? What's his idea here? Rook f1, I got queen c1, forcing the trade of queens. Queen d7, I can start giving my king some air. I'm actually not threatening d7 because background checkmate, but so what about queen d3? Rook f3, d7 takes, queen c4. Okay, I mean, there's no point in trying. Why am I spending time on that? a3. This endgame should be winning. Don't think he'll like really be able to activate anything. Oh, maybe I cannot activate my king actually. What am I doing? Just block it off. Just at least make my king as active as possible. What am I doing? Rook a1, then yeah, here I'm in time, am I not? Yeah, just in time. King g6, rook f4. And this is game over. After a lot of shenanigans. Oh boy.